Day 2 on the cruise. Getting ready to go doing some exploring. Carson hit it for good luck right here. Start the day off. Oh, jeez, that almost. Ow! That was a really big force. Brought tears to my eyes. That kind of hurt. All right, my turn. Ready?
No.
My turn. It'll be a light tap.
One way.
Light tap.
It's one way.
One way?
I don't want no light tap, boss. Good.
Just one little light tap. No light tap. What about a little pointer finger? A little fist bump.
Come on, just stop being stupid.
I'm sorry. What was that?
Oh, we're staying on the boat today instead of getting off at Nassau. We're gonna make this our day at sea because we don't have a day at sea, and we've been to Nassau before. So we're gonna stay here and explore the ship because we've never seen the ship before.
Do you want to show them your door? We'll talk them through your door. We may have showed them a video,
yeah,
but
I thought you showed. I got this on Amazon. It's actually a shoe holder, over the door shoe holder, and I just hot glued the material, and then I cut these out with my Cricut and put those on there, and then I just used my circles from my scrapbooking materials to make these, and then laminated them. I got a laminator machine at Walmart for $20, so I just laminated those. But I did buy this on Etsy, and we can link it below where I got it because I didn't know how to make that.
Alright, lunch on Saturday. Shannon's having hot dog, pizza. Carson's having pizza and hamburger. Tyler's having pizza and hamburger and a chocolate chip cookie and french fries. And I went rather healthy today. I'm having cantaloupe, pineapple and grapes, and 2 chicken wraps. Look at all those little bitty tiny tiles. See? And they made it. Isn't that beautiful?
that is cool.
Here's Nemo. Look, a frog.
Man, look at this. Look at this picture. Mom, come here. Look at this.
What is that?
It's you.
It's not.
Hey, man. You want to get? I got
These
some
are raspberry.
banana. It's like banana. It's like too strong. What? But banana and mango ice cream. It's actually pretty good. I haven't got to the cone yet, but the ice cream is absolutely incredible. It's really good. Clean up service this morning.
Pirates of the Caribbean.
The Pirates of the Caribbean headbands. Oh my gosh! Look at those dance moves, dude. Oh, that's even got rhythm down low. Oh. Since Mom said I didn't announce why we're getting the headbands, we got the headbands because we're awesome. Is that a good reason? Okay. But anyways, we got the headbands because the people that clean our rooms in the mornings, they'll give us the headbands because it is pirate night tonight, so you gotta dress up like a pirate. So those headbands are gonna help. Currently, our situation is we are getting out all of the gifts that we bought to give to the families. We're going to package them up, and we're going to give them out to us. So, we're in our little secret headquarters over here. Mom's got everything
It's a fish
ready.
extender club, and you can Google it, and it'll tell you all about it because it's too long to explain.
Just go to fishextender.com and it will let you know. We decorated the bags so they're going to say their names on them with a bunch of Mickey stickers. And then we even got these anchors. We made these anchors at home. We spent a lot of time on them.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on.
Mom only painted this little section right here. That's all she did. But she worked hard at buying the product because that's the most important
I painted
thing.
the whole anchor.
I thought Dad painted the whole anchor.
Oh, well. They were at Michael's for like 69 cents a piece, and so we just painted them to look like Mickey Mouse and then put the magnets on the back.
Yeah, so we got those. We also got some cooling towels that she handmade from Amazon. And then we got some other little cool stuff from the kids. We got those from Dollar Tree. The little, like right here, the little towels. You know those from Dollar Tree?
Oh, and the chapstick holders.
Oh, and then we got chapstick holders with the Mickey on them.
Chapstick goes in here.
Yeah.
I got those from Etsy too. I can link those below. Those are cool.
Yep, and then of course we got some actual chapstick to put them in. So we're gonna pack all this up. All right, we're setting out on an adventure to find the staterooms.
Right. It is a rut.
Okay,
On an adventure, Carson, to find the staterooms.
Okay,
So that way
we're
we can
going
give
to
them goodies.
6166 is the first one.
What is the first one?
That's Carson's group.
What is it?
It's the Butcher family. James, Tiffany, Lexi, Wyatt, Bo, and Owen. And they're expecting another baby. Congratulations if you're watching. Take you off in the ocean.
Ooh, you be bloody swimming with sharks. Ah.
What did you trip
Out of that wheel.
Be careful. Here it is.
61, 66, this is it. It's their first cruise, too.
Okay, here you go.
Carson.
This is the point where you do something,
I
Carson.
don't know what the Butcher family
Right
is.
here. Look.
But they're right here.
There's Lexi.
Here's Tiffany. Here you go.
She's up here with James. I don't know how we're gonna. Oh, here we'll have to. Let me see.
We'll just hang James at the top.
We'll have to hang them both.
Wyatt, no one.
We'll have to hang that one too because I can't fit it in the bag.
There. Like getting that off.
Alright. You look at our first Disney cruise. That's you said that, huh?
Yep, I did. Look, they got Woody, Cinderella, Buzz Lightyear.
Look how good.
Look,
Hang on.
they got, I'm gonna say this again, okay?
Okay, hang on. Hang on.
Whoa.
I gotta get a picture.
Okay,
Got you.
jeez. Chill.
Okay.
Alright, so wait. We're gonna try to guess them all.
Okay.
Woody, Cinderella,
Buzz Lightyear.
Mickey, Ariel.
That's the prince from Cinderella, I bet.
Prince.
James.
And then
Prince
that's it.
James.
Prince James.
Prince James. Yeah,
Oh,
look,
yeah,
Prince
Prince
James,
James.
and Cinderella Tiffany.
Yeah, those go together. Okay.
Oh, okay. All right, where to now?
On the hunt for the next family going upstairs. Destination number 2, Vicky and Tom. Just drop it down in there. Hang Toms. We'll see what they got. Scatter kindness. U.S. Army. I guess he used to be a soldier.
Soldier for life. Cool.
We made it to gold. What does that mean?
Oh, look at the dog tags.
Oh yeah.
That's
I
awesome.
guess he used to be a soldier.
Thank you for your service, Tom.
All right. Stop number 3.
Will and Anthony.
Will and Anthony. Oh, that's my bag. Here.
It'll fit in that bag. It'll fit in here.
It will.
There you go.
Are you sure? There we go. Put it right inside there. They got the Peace Dragon.
Connecticut. They're from Connecticut. Cool.
They are.
What's down here? Star Wars.
Ah, yeah. I wonder if they've seen that movie yet. Probably. That's kind of cool. It's like the half bite eaten out of it.
What?
So, can we take a break real quick?
Why?
Because I wanted to get me some Fruit Loops. Yep, that's it.
Awesome.
Liz and Mike.
Hi from Skip and Michael. How cute is their bag folder thing?
Liz is in there. And you just have to hang Michael's, I guess. It's Liz's 36th birthday, too.
It is?
Well, it says happy 36th birthday, Liz.
Oh. I'm gonna step back so I can get pictures. See if there's any pins you guys want. We'll trade. I know there's more.
Right, so
I
we
just
gave
don't remember what
everybody
the numbers
their
are.
gifts successfully. Found them all with no trouble. So we hope you guys loved them. If you guys ever watch this video, we hope that you guys love your gifts. We loved ours so much. The excitement was in some of the other videos that we haven't edited yet, but we love those gifts. They were awesome. So now we're going to explore more of the ship. 2:16, we are headed off to the Disney animation where we're going to create a character. What character are you gonna create?
It's not one you can pick. It's just whatever they're gonna teach us how to draw.
Oh, so you have to like whatever you can pick. No, whatever they pick.
Yeah, whatever they pick. I think.
Oh.
I don't know though. I've never been.
That's unfortunate.
Guess.
I bet it's Mickey. Let's put guesses in. What's your guess? Is it Mickey?
Goofy.
Goofy? What's your guess, Dad?
That's what I was picking. It's Goofy.
Carson, what's your guess? What character?
Deadpool.
Mom and I I'm gonna get some film on this before we leave, before we use GoPro. We are going out to the water slide, and on the water slide, we talked to one person. They told us we can't use the GoPro on the water slides, but the lifeguards might let you. But we're gonna take it anyways, and we're gonna use it because
We're rule breakers.
yeah, look at Mom. Okay, but we're gonna get the GoPro, so we're gonna switch to that camera. Something different, and that's why we are heading to the Disney Theater to go watch Beauty and the Beast. Here's the Beast up close and personal, backstage passes, and there's the Beauty.
Yep.
Why are you grabbing my shoulders, dude?
Oh no, bro.
Don't be weird like that. Don't be weird. Did you see how I gritted my teeth? I was like, don't be weird like that. Oh look, happy birthday, Chloe. Happy birthday. Birthday, Chloe.
Okay, Chloe, together you blow it.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's from Fat Amy. She says that. Anyways, going to watch Beauty and the Beast. All right, second dinner of the night. Is this Saturday night?
Look at you.
Oh, it is Saturday night, yeah. Saturday night dinner, table 83.
My picture too.
Add one too, one. Thank you. Oh, it does. All right, we can just set it right here. Thank you. Got the pasta, the steak. You get the same thing?
Yeah.
Cool job is.
One thing.
Oh, he got some golden coins for the boys.
Look, coins for pirate night.
Paper towel holder. Paper towel holder. Dude, you gotta stop those dance moves. It's too much for the camera. Oh! Hey! Hey! Ooh!
Hey, look.
What?
It's chocolates. Dead men tell no tales. What's this one? Oh, this is. Oh, there's.
Well, that's really
How cute.